No vaccine mandate for healthcare workers in 10 states. A federal judge temporarily barred the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services from requiring workers to get the vaccine.
CBS 17's Brea Hollingsworth is outside the Emergency Operations Center in Raleigh after speaking with a professor. And what did they tell you about the possible impacts down the road, Brea?
Well, that professor told me that it wouldn't have any direct legal impact except for the 10 states covered, but it could encourage other individuals to sue, citing this case. No vaccine requirement for healthcare workers in Missouri and 9 other states. A federal judge blocked the federal government from mandating vaccines in healthcare facilities in 10 states.
What it means certainly for 17 million healthcare workers is they are not at risk of losing their jobs right now because of this vaccine mandate.
Duke Law School professor Dan Bowling points to one key factor in the judge's decision.
These were hastily drawn up mandates by agencies within the executive branch, not the legislative branch of government, with fairly limited authority on how far they're reaching the private sector.
Bowling told me the judge's decision could have big impacts down the road.
Here's what I predict. It's a practical matter. I think states and companies or healthcare organizations that don't want to implement the mandates aren't going to implement them at this time.
But North Carolina Governor Roy Cooper told me the state will continue to encourage vaccinations, mandated or not.
I think we need to continue to do things to encourage people to get vaccinations. So in North Carolina, we've continued to increase the number of state employees getting vaccinated. We've encouraged employers to require their employees to get vaccinated. So we're going to continue to make that a top effort in our state.
Now, Governor Cooper also told me state-owned healthcare facilities require vaccinations for healthcare workers. He says more than 99% of them have gotten vaccinated. I'm live in Raleigh. Brea Hollingsworth, CBS 17 News.